What's up, guys, and welcome back to another model airplane review on the channel. Today we've got a Flight Miniatures Boeing 727 in the Kitty Hawk Air Cargo livery, and in this video we're going to be looking at the model itself, but also a little bit of the history of the airframe in real life. As usual, the model was purchased at diecastairplane.com. I'm not associated with them in any way, I'm not sponsored or anything, but it's just a good website that I found, so I'm going to leave a link to the model in the description in case anyone's interested, and hopefully it's still available whenever you're watching this video. Among the snap-fit models, the 727 is really one of the easiest to assemble because the engines are located towards the back of the fuselage rather than on wing pylons, so you can really press the wings in for a tight fit without worrying too much about snapping the engines off. The more recent flight miniature models have really stepped up in terms of quality compared to back when the company was called Long Prosper, and also the transitional period in early flight miniatures. You can really tell by the shape of the nose and the cockpit windows, which look pretty accurate, as well as the engine details, and the fact that there are barely any noticeable blemishes in the paint, which is something that was common back in the early flight miniatures and Long Prosper days. Now, flight miniatures are still in the budget end of the market, but they've stepped up in quality nonetheless. Now, about the real-life aircraft. It started its service life in May of 1978 with Pacific Southwest Airlines, sporting the tail number November 555 Papa Sierra. It then moved on to Piedmont Airlines, where it maintained the same tail number until 1985, when it acquired the November 750 Uniform Sierra tail number that we see here. In 1989, it officially flew under the U.S. Air flag, since the company had already taken over Piedmont, hence the Uniform Sierra registration. And then in 1995, it flew with American Transair. The following year, it finally made its way to Kitty Hawk Air Cargo, where it maintained that same tail number, the one we see here. And then in 2004, Kitty Hawk gave it the November 157 Kilo Hotel tail number. And finally, in 2008, it went down to Brazil and received the tail number Papa Romeo Sierra Papa Charlie to fly with an airline called SP Cargo Air, but that airline never really took off, pun intended. It continued in Brazil when in 2009 it received the tail number Papa Romeo India Oscar Alpha, and it flew with Rio Airlines, and it's been in storage since 2012. If any of you know whether the aircraft has been scrapped since then, feel free to let me know in the comments, but the last known status is that it was stored. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. You can find more model airplane videos in my channel, and there are more coming up as well, so feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.